Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix Snapchat account logged for violating community guidelines. If you are using Snapchat and your account has been logged due to violating community guidelines, so let's see how can you easily fix that issue. So the very first thing you have to check that you have a strong internet connection, your Wi-Fi or cellular, and then you have to open your browser, and here you have to search for support.snapchat.com, or you have to the first website on Snapchat support, and here you just have to scroll down and look for the option of contact us. Simply select that option, and here you have to again scroll down and look for the option of I think my account was compromised. So select that option, and here you just have to scroll down, and here you have to enter your username, then email address, then phone number, and here you have to describe your issue. So which you are having, once you have described your issue, you have to tap on the submit option. So you have to make sure that you have added living words into this description, and you have to appeal if you have any violation of the guidelines. So once you have made this script for that, you have to enter it here, and then you can really submit that to Snapchat, and after that your account will be unlocked in a few days, and it might be unlocked in a few hours. So in this way you can easily fix if your Snapchat account has been logged for violating community guidelines. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.